Mornings set the tone for your day. Why not make your smile a priority? I used to rush through my routine barely thinking about my teeth until sensitivity or stains reminded me to care. Now, I've got a game plan, 7 simple morning rituals that keep my smile strong and sparkling. The star of the show, the Navy Tooth Repair Hack. Here's how to kickstart your day with a healthier, tougher grin. Spend 2 minutes brushing with fluoride toothpaste hitting all surfaces. A soft bristle brush is key to protect enamel. Floss before brushing to clear overnight bacteria. It's like a reset button for your gums. Swish a teaspoon of salt in warm water for 30 seconds. It's a natural way to soothe gums and fight morning bacteria. Hydrate first to wash away acids and prep your mouth for the day. It's free and protects enamel. Grab yogurt or eggs, calcium and protein strengthen teeth. Skip sugary cereals that feed decay. Pop a piece post-breakfast to boost saliva flow, neutralizing acids and cleaning teeth naturally. My morning MVP, the Navy Tooth Repair Hack from Denacor naturally reinforces enamel and cut sensitivity. I use it daily and my teeth feel like they've got a protective shield. No more wincing at my morning latte. Mornings are prime time for oral health. Bacteria build up overnight and your habits set the stage. These rituals clear plaque, feed enamel, and protect against daily wear. The Navy Hack is the ultimate boost, strengthening teeth where other habits fall short. Since I started, my smile's tougher, and I'm ready to face the day with confidence. I used to chug coffee and skip flossing, thinking my teeth could handle it. Spoiler, they couldn't. Sensitivity hit hard, and my smile looked dull. Then I built this morning routine and the Navy Tooth Repair Hack changed everything. Now my teeth are stronger, my gums are happy, and I'm actually excited to start my day. It's quick, cheap, and works. A stronger smile is just a few morning rituals away. With these 7 habits and the Navy Hack, you'll be grinning like a pro. Ready to upgrade your mornings? Click the link in the description to learn more about the Navy Tooth Repair Hack. Here's to a smile that shines all day.